Hello everybody. Life to me is poetry in motion. You need not be bothered, I'm not going to recite any ashar or poetry. But when I say poetry in motion, what I mean is, there is this very famous saying which says, when a butterfly flatters its wings on one side of the world, it causes a volcano to erupt on the other side of the world. Life to me is that short bubble. Life to me is that question mark. Life to me is like a chemical equation which we are constantly trying to balance. It's like that denormalized mathematical equation which we are bound to normalize and get into a normal form. Life to me is that struggle. Life to me is that question mark. Maybe the correct answer to this particular topic, or maybe a justified one to this topic, will obviously require a lot more than 5 minutes. So, in whatever time I have been allotted, I'll just try and take you through the subheadings, or maybe the subheadings or the headings of what exactly life to me is. Life, as I said, is to me is that short bubble which even before you realize that it has formed, it bursts. People have been talking about, and I have been wondering since I got my senses, that why is it that I was born? Why is it that everybody else around me is living? Does my Creator really need me? Does He need my salah? Does He need my prayers? Does He need my hajj? Does He need my sacrifices? I don't think so. His God is fleet, and His God is trillions and zillions of angels who can bow before Him, who can offer Him salah whenever He wishes. He doesn't need us. Then why do I think that He has created me? Maybe I don't know. But then what I know for sure is it's not a coincidence. Because I personally do not believe in coincidences. And hence my birth and my birth in Hyderabad in this society is not a coincidence. There is some sort of a very profound meaning to it. The reason that we are all sitting here and I am talking here is not just by coincidence. The reason that I'm not sleeping like my friends and enjoying a lazy Sunday, it's not a coincidence, it has a reason. I'm just trying to give you an analogy, not a philosophical one, but more of a practical one as to what life is. Life is more or less what you make out of it. It can be, very luxurious to you. It can be very easygoing and very enjoyable, fun-filled. It can be anything that you want, or it can also be of a very, if you're actually trying to follow the divine laws and go by the book, it might be a pain for you. It might be the worst thing that you ever encountered in your entire history of living. Life is simply what you make out of it. But then, when I try and question myself, what is life to me is? Life to me really is being content, is being satisfied. Is also not being satisfied always. Because, if I'm satisfied and if I'm content, then I just stop living my life. Everybody else around me, every single human being breathes, but then how many of us really live? How many of us really live the life we were born to live? Why do you think our Creator created us? If we can ask this question to ourselves and maybe try and devise an answer to this question, then each one of us surely will have a different answer to what life to him or her really is. And to me, it is all about satisfying your Creator. It is all about understanding why you were born in this society, why you are living in this part of the world and not some other part of the world, why are you still breathing, why are you still encountering the circumstances that you are encountering, why is it happening so? And then life is about seeking an answer and then trying and first being content and satisfied with circumstances that you are in, and then trying to satisfy and try to achieve that penultimate satisfaction and trying to achieve that content of your Lord. That is what life to me is. I'll just conclude by saying what also life to me is. It is also a bitch to me. and the truth has always been ugly to me. That's also what life is about to me. But then when I say bitch, I have a different meaning. Life to me is a beautiful intellect that can handle herself. That is what life to me is.